Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my morning routine. It's been a couple years since I've done one of these. So typically, it starts off in bed. At this point, most, if not all of the dogs are not in bed anymore because they are like, hey, it's time to get up. Could you get your lazy butt up? So usually I wake up to Girly on the side of my bed just looking at me like, hey dude, time to go pee. So I will let the puppies out, and then I usually hop back into bed while they are out peeing, because usually I'm like either really cold or still sort of tired, so I kind of just get like another 5 minutes while they're out doing their thing. But usually, I reach for my phone. I like to do a little scrolling through social media. I don't know, I just kind of like to catch up on sort of the stuff that I missed while I was asleep. So, start with Instagram, see what's going on there. My Instagram is Tasha Leelyn. If you don't follow me, you definitely should. We got like a nice little theme going on. And then after that, I will check usually Twitter, see if there's anything going on there. It's just sort of something to do while I'm waiting for the puppies to come in. If you want to follow me on Twitter, my handle is @TashaLeelyn as well. Then it is time to get up, so putting on my little slipper house shoes. This morning I woke up with, that like tickle that you get in the back of your throat sometimes, so I was a little bit worried that I might be getting sick, but I'm happy that Betadine reached out to me to promote their sore throat spray and their sore throat gargle. It is really important to have these guys on hand so that the first sign of that tickle in your throat, it can work its magic. Betadine treats the root cause of a sore throat. It doesn't just mask the symptoms. I love that it comes in two formats as well, the gargle and the spray. That's why this is such a perfect partnership. I'm always on the go, so I can truly treat a sore throat anywhere. So next up, time to hop in the shower. I have recently become this first day hair type gal. Like, first day hair is the best hair. I used to be second day hair girl, but not anymore. This is the shampoo and conditioner that I use by Mark Anthony. It's their Grow Long line. I've been using this for, I don't know, 6 months maybe, but on and off. Like whenever I run out, I try something else, but I always end up going back to this guy. I really like it. It smells so great, and I think it's why my hair is growing, I think. My favorite things to use in the shower right now are by LUSH, Magic Crystals. This is the shower scrub that I love. It smells so good. And it really does the job, and it leaves your skin feeling amazing. You guys know I love LUSH so much. I also use Fizz. It's a body conditioner, so you basically just like apply it almost like a hair conditioner. You leave it on for a couple minutes and then you rinse it off, and you have like the most baby soft skin, and this is like the best smelling thing of life. I have so many backups of this because I cannot live without it. And then this is the shower cream that I use. It's like a shower gel, American cream. It was part of the Valentine's Day collection. It is so good, so good. Time to get out of the shower. Usually what I'll do after that is brush my teeth. If you are concerned about my dental hygiene, this is what I use. It is a bamboo toothbrush, and I use Sensodyne toothpaste because I have sensitive teeth. So you guys know that I get my hair lightened, and something that I have to do probably like in between hair appointments, probably, I don't know, maybe a month and a half after I get my hair done. My bangs, they end up like being very, very brassy. Just my bangs, and I always have to tone them or else they just get way too warm. I actually look back at old videos and see how brassy they were, and I just cringe. So I started just toning like my bangs separately, and I do this almost after every shower just to make sure that they stay kind of more on the neutral side. So this is the toner I use. It's called Brass Off Color Obsessed. It's a color like neutralization mask, and it's by Matrix, and it works really great. It's super, super pigmented. It's really thick. I apply it on damp hair, and I literally just put it on my fingers. It doesn't stain my fingers, but I wash it off like immediately. I look like this for 5 minutes. It's kind of weird. But then once the 5 minutes is up, then I can go ahead and rinse it off, and then I will just start blow drying my hair. I like to give my hair sort of a once over so it's not like dripping wet, and then I use this Thirsty Girl by IGK. It's a coconut milk leave-in conditioner, and I love that it's in this spray because it goes on so evenly, and I'm obsessed with this. I use it after every shower. And then I will go through and finish blow drying all of my hair. Then I like to sit on the floor and style my hair. I don't know why, I just do. I recently became an adult, or no, not an adult, a big girl, and learned how to use a big girl curling iron. And it has changed my life. If you have trouble with your hair holding curl, using a real curling iron has changed my life. Like, the wand, honestly, my hair would never hold a curl. I'd be curling it every single day, and now it holds it so well because I use a curling iron. I will link this one down below. This one's by Bio-Ionic, and my sister recommended it to me, and I'm really happy. I do wish, you know, I wish the barrel were a bit bigger, but I really like this one, and it was kind of pricey, so this was definitely an investment for me, but I will link it down below. I got it at Sephora. A lot of you guys kind of ask how I curl my hair, so I'm just going to take you through it. I take little sections about this big, and I always brush them out before doing it. Then I put the clamp on like this, and as I'm letting that clamp go, I move it down. You see that? As I let it go, and then I basically turn it, and then I pull it, and turn it, and pull it, and turn it, and pull it. And I don't do the last little like section of my hair, like I leave that part straight. I don't know, this is not the best tutorial, but that's basically how I do it, and I do that to all of my hair, and that's how I get these sort of really natural little loose waves. The hairspray that I like is by Marc Anthony. It's called Bye Bye Frizz. It's like a hydrating hairspray. I really like Marc Anthony products. I find that I actually use like a lot of their stuff. My favorite foundation at the moment is the Benefit Hello Happy. I just love the coverage it gives me. It's so good. And then still using the Tarte. Why do I always say that? The Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. My gosh. The Becca bronzer is one of my favorites right now as well. And then for eyeshadow, I'm still using that Tarte palette. You know, what is it called? The Tartelette Flirt palette. Still using that guy. It has such good colors in it, and I use that every day. If you guys want me to do an updated everyday makeup tutorial, please let me know, and I will definitely do that. Now it's time to get dressed, and I'm a pretty indecisive gal when it comes to getting dressed. I will put an outfit on, think I want to wear that, and then put another outfit on and like wear that for the rest of the day. But then when it comes time to film, you guys will see I'm just going to change back into the other outfit. Yeah, that's what we're doing today, by the way. We're getting ready for a day of just filming a video. I love this dress, and I thought I wanted to wear it, and then like last second I changed my mind. These are probably two of my favorite dresses right now. They're both from Oak and Fort, and I have worn them religiously. Yeah, just really like them, and everybody always asks me where they're from, so there you go. Time for breakfast. I usually, like, I love breakfast, so usually I'll go all out for breakfast, but on days where I'm filming and I don't really have the time, or I just don't have the energy, I have this like Love Crunch. It's like a granola mix. It's vegan, and usually I will just put some of that in a bowl. I love blackberries, so I will put a ton of blackberries in that, and then I use oat milk, and I am the biggest advocate for oat milk over almond milk. You guys should try it. If you've never tried oat milk, please do. If you live in the US, they have a brand called Oatly, and you should have that one. Then I will just kind of sit and relax and get into my zen, and then or find my zen, I should say, and have some breakfast and just kind of chill out before starting to film. Something you guys may not know about me is that I listen to music pretty much as soon as I wake up until I go to bed. I love my Bluetooth speaker. So right now, like, I'm listening to Coulter Wall, and it just like helps me get in such a good mood. And when I film, I want to be in a really good mood, so I try to listen to music before I start filming. So yeah, here I just am sitting down trying to make sure that my hair looks good. I don't know what I'm doing here. And then this was a video that I was filming for you guys. So that is basically my morning routine. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, it had been a couple years since I had done one, so I thought maybe it was time for a little bit of an update. I hope that you guys are all doing well, and as always, I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!